Hey guys, so today I was thinking about doing a wardrobe clean out. Because I still have things here from the summer. Yeah, I never actually redid it when I went away to college. I didn't like switch anything out. It's been here for like 6 months now, maybe more, because when do you start taking stuff out? Like May? So, I think this is gonna be like a fast timer of me doing all this. Hold on, this is not a good angle. Here we go. As you can see, not time for this. So I'm also sorry that I didn't record anything yesterday. I was trying to enjoy it with my cousins and not have to worry about talking to you guys. So yeah, I apologize for my third missed day of Vlogmas. I have some here. Oh, also, my mom had a genius idea. I don't really know what this is considered, but they're like lavender, like bits. I don't know. I wish you guys could smell it. It's really good. And then with this, you just like, leave it in your wardrobe or wherever, and then it makes everything smell really nice. I think I'm gonna do my larger sweaters for one pile, and then like long sleeves, like what I'm wearing right now, in a different pile, although I didn't bring that many. Notice how all the colors are black, white, gray, and blue. I told you guys I have a color scheme. And now we have all of this. I'm only gonna be taking down the crew necks, obviously. I'm a crew neck girl, not a sweatshirt girl. So I have way too many. Way too many. I'm a collector. I have to wear this. Maybe I'll wear it tomorrow. That's teetering dangerously. Now I'm gonna try and clean out this stuff here. Jeans. Another pair of jeans. Leggings. Shorts. Not good. Jeans. I don't really wear these very often. I have these sweatpants things. It's kind of tight though. These also don't know what I'm wearing now. These are too small. My new favorite jeans. Ugly sweatpants. Also might be a little too small. Other jeans. I'll put my least favorites over here. These I'm not even gonna put back here. I only have one pair of leggings. Oh my gosh, look at this. I only have one pair of leggings. Well, I have sweatpants. And yeah, I'm a jeans girl. Let's put this here. Or put this. We can put athletic shorts. Things on top. And then we can go 1, 2, 3. I'll put these somewhere else. Can we think of a better way to do this? It's just the crew necks are so big. Cause see, these are like my nice like church sweaters. These are like my long sleeves. It could be under crew necks if I need to have extra warmth. And then I have my jeans and sweatpants here. I do have more winter things here, but low-key I think I'm gonna donate them or throw them away because they all have like stains or they're just like really washed out because I wore them for so long. I don't know. Still deciding. Oh look, it's in Hypen. But yeah, I think that's it for the video. Not super long or anything.